County Hospital District in Weatherford, Texas, operates the emergency medical system for the county, and also Campbell Clinic, a rural health clinic that provides care for Medicaid, Medicare, and insured patients, along with the self-pay patients of the county. It's really changed in the last 20 years, and IT now is it's a part of the minute-by-minute operation of our clinic. We have electronic medical records here at Campbell Clinic, and so when the provider goes into the exam room with the patient, they're entering information on a laptop or on a desktop at that moment. So your medical information goes right into the computer. And then also the security of that information is very important to keep the patient's medical information secure and only available to the providers who have the right to look at it. Synergistic is a 24/7, 7-day-a-week resource for us, because when the computers are down with the ambulance service, the ambulance guys, the paramedics, can't do their reports online. Same token here at the clinic. If we're not able to use our electronic medical records, we have to go back to the old paper, and it slows us up. It is important for us to have our IT services, to have our server rooms running, and to have all the computers in the place running. On a weekend recently, one of the EMS stations in the northern part of the county was not able to get online and do their reporting, and was not able to do some other things online, scheduling, I believe. Our EMS director contacted our guy that's assigned to us, and over the weekend, it was the middle of the night, that was resolved, and that's something that couldn't have been done 2 years ago. And now it's taken for granted, and we have had 100% success in issues like that.
What Synergistic does, I don't see on a day-to-day basis. You know, I mean, I see it, but I come to work and my radios go off. I get in the ambulance and I go on a call. If that system fails, I bet it would slow response times. But on a day-to-day basis, you know, I don't think about it because it runs so smoothly.
The fact that most of them are based in Austin, which is 3 hours away from us, has not been an issue, because the communications, we're able to talk. It's almost like being face-to-face. You're able to talk, address the problem, and sometimes the technician can take care of it remotely without coming up here. But if they do have to come up here, they get up here. And we have had great response on our problems. When we report a problem, they're taken care of in a timely manner. The leaders in Synergistic have been very active in helping us with the disaster recovery plan, bringing together my directors and giving them the information that they need to compile for that plan. They have also been good in our other security efforts, giving us documentation that work is being done. And so annually when we renew our insurance, we have those reports on hand that we can give to them. And it's been very helpful. I was lucky that personnel with Synergistic early on, when they heard that I was planning on remodeling this building and turning it into the clinic, they told me that they wanted to be involved from day one. And they worked with the construction company, the architect, myself, and the construction managers to make sure that we had a wiring technician or wiring company that could have this building with all of the jacks that you need in the building. We needed one in every exam room and every office, needed multiple information or telephone jacks. And the Synergistic staff worked with the subcontractors in making sure that we had those in the places that they were needed. It was 100% a success as far as I'm concerned, and it was because they were involved early and they stayed involved through the whole process. We are now looking at building a new administration building and a new EMS station for our Weatherford crew, and they are already involved in that. The support we get from Synergistic is very valuable. It's the only way to go.